Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we're showing you how to draw one of the most iconic electric guitars in the world, the Gibson Les Paul. We start with the outline of the guitar body, which has an almost figure 8 type shape but with tapered ends. We can then draw the bridge, which is where the strings end. Then we draw the volume and tone knobs as well as the pickups. We can give ourselves a guide as to where the bottom string will be, but we won't draw the strings properly until the end as they are above the other parts. Now that we have the main outline of the body, don't be afraid to use a ruler to draw the guitar neck, as we want it to look as straight as possible. The outline of the guitar head is even with 6 tuning pegs, 1 for each string. The frets are not evenly spaced, although they look that way at the start. They get closer together when you are near the body. We can now go over the pencil outline in pen and add more details as we go. You can use a ruler again to make sure the lines for the pickups are nice and straight. This part is the fingerboard, which is usually white or cream on Les Paul, but not always. Again, feel free to use the ruler for the individual frets as well. Here we're marking the 6 strings so we can keep them evenly spaced. And we use a ruler to draw a straight line for all the strings. Technically, the first string is thinner than the 6th, but it'll be hard to tell on this illustration, so it's okay if they look even. And here you have our final Gibson Les Paul standard guitar. If you want to know how to draw more instruments, let us know which ones in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.